Welcome, Xiaomi is a Poco F2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and you'll find the battery saver toggle. Now the position of it may change a little bit, so keep that in mind. But from here you can simply tap on it to enable it, or you can also hold it. And this will take you to the settings where you can set things like schedule, as you can see right here, so it turns on automatically from given time to given time, and also set it to turn off at a specific battery percentage. And once you want to disable it manually, you can just simply go back to where it was and tap on it again to disable it. Now having it enabled will limit a couple things. As you can see, when you enable, sync goes off. App background data gets restricted, notifications will come less frequently, they will be delivered in bulk. And yeah, now some other things sometimes include like battery brightness being limited or your CPU on the device, but it looks like it's not the case here. But that is how we would enable it. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.